have been humbled by the outpouring of support for my campaign. While I'm honoured to have received 90% of the signatures required from members of the Oireachtas, I regret to say that it's not enough and that time has now run out. I entered this race in the hope of giving voters a real choice. Cinse go bhfuil díomá beag orm, ach tá mé an bhróidúil freisin as an méid a rinneamar go tapig le roinnt léitheanta anuas. The response from the public in recent days confirms the hunger that there is for an alternative candidate. Sadly, that hunger will now go unsatisfied. Rarely has the political consensus seemed more oppressive or detached from the wishes and desires of the public. I want to acknowledge with sincere gratitude the many councillors who voted for me, some of whom courageously went against party diktat to do so. I'm also grateful to the 18 parliamentarians, true Democrats all, who gave me their signatures, some of whom because they wanted to support me and vote for me in the election, and some of whom simply because they believed in democracy, and that the verdict on my candidacy should be rendered not by an elite clique, but by the people. My effort to make the ballot has not been successful, but I do not feel I have lost. I have the privilege of returning to life at home with a wonderful family. I want to thank in particular my husband Neil, who has always been by my side, and my 5 children for their patience and unwavering love. I would also like to thank my parents for their unconditional love and support. It's proper to acknowledge that I was not the only alternative voice seeking to enter this race. Other candidates like Nick Delahanty and Gareth Sheridan had their own perspectives to offer and worked diligently through a very challenging process. It has been a privilege to have won the confidence and support of so many people around the country over the past few weeks. And while it would have been the honour of a lifetime to serve as first citizen of Ireland, being a citizen is honour enough for me. Thank you all.